The Internet app on a Galaxy S24 might start crashing due to issues such as an outdated app version or corrupted app data. If you have a problem like this when you browse the web, then the first thing you have to do is to force stop the Internet app and reopen it. To do that, tap the Recents key and then look for the Internet's preview. Swipe up on it to close it. After that, open it again to see if it still crashes. If it does, then you have to reboot your phone, as it's possible that the problem is just due to a minor system glitch. So press and hold the power and volume down buttons for a couple of seconds. When the options show, tap on the restart option and then confirm it. Now wait for the phone to finish restarting and launch the app. The next thing you have to do if the problem still persists is to reset the app itself. You can do that by clearing its cache and data. Just tap and hold on its icon until the options show. Then tap the small app info icon, and on the next screen, tap storage. Tap clear cache and follow it up with clear data. After doing that, open the app, and if it still crashes at some point, you have to reset all settings on your phone. This will fix most of the issues with apps and the firmware. To do that, just launch settings and scroll all the way down. Tap general management and then tap reset. Select reset all settings and then tap reset settings to proceed. After the reboot, the problem should already be fixed and you can continue browsing the web without any problem. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.